And today I will talk about do while loop in C programming. In previous videos, we had a discussion on while loop and for loop, and also I explained about nested for loop with more examples. Okay, if you want to display the patterns at that time, we should use nested for loop instead of single for loop. Okay, I written more examples in last video. Okay, then today I am going to explain about do while loop in C programming. Then what is the differences between while loop and do while loop, for loop? Okay, there are three looping techniques are supported by the C programming. One is while, for loop and do while loop. It is a different to compare with the other loops because a while loop and for loop are the entry control loop, because before entering into the loop which test the condition, if the condition is true, then only the body of the loop will be executed, otherwise loop terminates. But here in this case is different, because when we will use the do while loop, I will explain you with help of the example. Listen carefully. The do while loop is the exit control loop, which is also called as the post test loop. What is the meaning of this statement? Because exit control, not entry control, which means that the body of the loop will get executed. After that, which test the condition. If the condition is true, again the set of statements will be executed one more time until the set of statements will be executed again and again until the condition is false. Here what is the major difference between while and do while is, it is at least the body of the loop will be executed once even though condition is false. That's why here entry control, before that the body of the loop will get executed first, after that we test the condition. If it is true, again the set of statements will be executed, otherwise loop terminates. It is mainly used to execute the loop statement at least once. In such application, the body of the loop executed at least once. Instead of for loop and while loop, we will use do while loop. Then where it can be used? In what type of applications we will use the do while loop? Generally, it is used in the menu driven applications, because whether if you continue or not, okay, then whenever the code to be executed at the end of the loop, again which tests the condition, if you want to continue, again the set of statements will be executed again, or otherwise no, if you are say no, then loop terminates. That's why it is used generally menu driven applications. Okay, how it will be used in the menu driven application, I will explain you with help of the example. Okay, it is menu driven application where the termination condition, because termination condition depends upon the end user, because if you want to continue, it will be continued, otherwise it terminates. This loop will execute the body of the loop once before checking the condition. If the condition is true, then it will repeat the loop as long as condition is true, because the body of the loop will be executed again and again until condition is false. As long as condition is true means whenever true, again the set of statements will be executed. Yeah, syntax for do while loop. It is a do, then it is called as what? Opening bracket, the set of statements. Either it is one statement, actually these brackets are not required. In case of, if you want to include more statement, we should be able to use opening bracket and closing bracket. Because this is called as, there is no test condition before entering into the loop. First, the control will execute the statements, after that which test the condition. Here we should use the semicolon. In case of for loop or do while loop, we don't put a semicolon at the end of the statement. In case of do while, we will use the semicolon at the end of the while. While then condition or expression, then semicolon. Then if it is true, again body of the loop will be executed one more time. Again after that, which tests the condition. If it is true, then if it is true means then again the body of the loop will be executed. If it is false, then loop terminates. Okay, after executing the statements, it will ask whether it is continue or not. If it is continue, then the continue means the condition becomes true. Again, the statements will be repeated one more time. Otherwise, loop terminates. Okay, in case of flowchart, is here. First, what is happening here? The set of statements will be executed first because which is entering into the loop. Then again, which test the condition. Okay, whether it is true, again the statements will be executed one more time. After that, we will check the condition. If it is true, again the set of statements will be executed one more time. Again, which test the condition. The set of statement will be repeated, executed again and again until expression returns false. When the expression returns false, then which terminates the loop. This is the syntax for the do while loop in C programming. This is a flowchart for the do while in case of C programming. I hope it is clear. There are some of the statements about the what is called do while loop, where it can be used generally, which will be used to develop the menu driven applications. Okay. Then what is the syntax? What is the flowchart? Then after that, I will explain you with the help of the example. I will write the simple example. After that, I will go for the complex example. Just erasing the statements. Yeah, this space is enough for writing the example. Yeah, first I want to write the simple program using the do while. Example 1. What is example 1 is to print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, how you are going to write the program using do while loop. While main into I equal to 1, then write the program printf, then I equal %d, then I plus plus. Here at the end of the statement you should put the condition, then I less than or equal to 10, then semicolon. Then do while as completed, then end main. Yeah, please look at this example. Then I should be 1. Yeah, I should be initially I is declared as 1. Then first which will comes to here without checking the condition, then which enter into the loop. Then what is the output of this program is, you should listen carefully. What is the output? I equal to 1 will be displayed on the output device. After that I is incremented by 1. Now what is the I value becomes 2. Then what is check? You check the condition. Okay, whether it is continuous or not. Whether the this statement will be executed or not depends on this condition. What is the I value? Then 2. Then 2 less than or equal to 10, condition is true or false. The condition is true. One more time, the same statements will be executed. Then what is the I value is 2. Then I is incremented by 1. Now I value becomes 3. Then 3 less than or equal to 10, condition is true. Then again one more time the loop statement will be executed. Then I equal to 3. Then I is incremented by 1. I value becomes 4. Then 4 less than or equal to 10. The condition becomes true. Then again it will be executed one more time. Then I value becomes I should be 4. Then again I is incremented by 1. I value becomes 5. Then 5 less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Then I equal to, again the loop will be executed one more time until I equal to 5. Then okay, I want to put the condition I equal to 5. Okay, then again I is incremented by 1, because if I explain 10 it will take some time. Okay, then I is incremented by 1, I value becomes 6. Then here the 6 less than or equal to 5 condition terminates. 6 less than condition, then loop will be, the control will comes to here, end of the loop. If any statements are there here, those statements will be executed. After that program will terminate, because there are no more statements here, then program will terminate. Hope it is clear. Here if you 10 means simply you can put the 10, because I equal to 6, I equal 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Whenever I value becomes 11 less than or equal to 10, the condition becomes false. Then loop terminates and also program will also be terminated. This is the simple program for printing the 1 to 10 by using the what? Do while. Because here you should use the semicolon at the end of the condition. Then I will write the another example for is it clear? Okay. Yeah. I will write the another complex example using the do while. Because what are the application of the do while? It will be used in the menu driven applications. Okay, when you want to develop the menu driven application, you could able to use do while. How it can be used, I will explain with the help of the example. Listen carefully. Yeah, it is also because because example 2, what is called to perform arithmetic operations using do while. Okay, look at here. Then while main then int choice, then a b, then do. Yeah, I am using the do while. Printf printf 1 for addition /n, then 2 for subtraction. Continuous statement I am writing here. slash n, 3 for multiplication slash n, 4 for what? Division. Then close. Okay. Here do C out. Here it is C programming. Printf enter A and B values. It is printf. Then scanf percentage D and percentage D address of A, address of B. Then printf enter your choice. Listen carefully. Then switch choice. Case 1 printf addition equal percentage D, then A plus B, then break, then case 2 printf subtraction equal percentage D, A minus B, then break. I will continue here. Then case 3, it is called colon printf multiplication equal percentage D, comma, then A multiplied with B, okay, then break, case 4 printf division equal percentage D, then A by B, then break, then default, then what is called printf invalid choice or enter valid choice. Enter valid choice. Okay. Then switch will be closed. After that, printf whether you want, do you want continue, do you want continue, press yes or press yes. Do you want to continue? Press yes. Otherwise, what is called? Then which exit the loop. Then I want to continue, I want to take another one. Press Y only. Okay. Press Y, because it is a smaller capital Y. Yeah. Then I want to take another variable is here. Please, there is no here character ch. Okay, character ch. Then scanf percentile c. Then address of ch. Here I am using the do while. Then y close. Do should be opened here. It will be closed. While what is called ch equal to y small y or ch equal to capital Y. Then semicolon. Then do while has completed, program terminates. Here end main. Yeah. In such examples, we will use do while concept in C programming. Then look at here. Then I will write the output here. Output. Yeah. First, these variables have been declared because I want to use these variables in my programming. In ch can be declared as a character, choice a comma b which are declared as an integer data. Then there is no test condition here, directly which entering into the loop. Okay. Then printf enter ab values, because enter ab values, because a value becomes 10, b value becomes 5. I have taken these two values from the user during the runtime. Then one for addition, slash n means the second will be displayed in the new line. One for addition, two for subtraction, three for multiplication, four for division. Yeah, it will ask enter AB values. Okay. Yeah, enter your choice. Then these will be displayed. Enter AB values. After that, because one for addition, two for subtraction. Enter after that. Enter your choice. Okay. Enter your choice. Which one do you want? If you press 1, addition to be performed. If you press 2, subtraction to be performed. If you press 3, multiplication should be performed. If you press 4, division operation should be performed. Yeah. Here what is your choice? For example, the choice variable as then 3. Okay. It is value what? 3. Then case 1. The 3 does not match with the first case. You know that or else statement can be discussed in one of the previous video. Okay. If you want to know about the statement, just to listen that video. Just you type switch case in C programming. Okay. Then the 3 does not match with the first case, then go to the second case. Okay. The 3 is also does not match with the second case, which will go to the third case. The 3 can be matched with the case 3. Then the corresponding statements will be executed. Multiplication equal. Then AB values. What is the A value? A value becomes 10, B value becomes, what is the value? 50 will be displayed. After the break. Break means we jump out of the switch. Once the break statement is executed, the control will comes out of the switch. Then switch will be ended here. End switch. Because if you write like this, you can easily understand problem. Then switch will be comes out of the switch. Then do you want to continue? Press small y or capital Y. Otherwise, if you enter any character, then which terminates. Other than y, then loop will be terminated. Then, yeah, scanf, what is ch. The character is what? Ch variable. Whether do you want continue or not? If you press yes, yeah, y, you test the condition. Ch equal to y or capital Y or small y. What is the value of ch? Y. Because if any one of the condition is true, again which returns true. Okay, the condition is true. What is now? Condition is true. Again enter AB values will be asked. Enter AB values. After that, then this will be displayed, 1 for addition, 2 for the same, 1 for addition, like that. The menu will be displayed. Then enter your choice. Suppose I want enter 5. What is called? Choice 5. Then 5 does not match with the first case. The 5 does not match with the second case. 5 does not match with the third case. 5 does not match with the fourth case. Then default statement will be executed. Here the choice does not match with any one of the cases. Then the control will execute the default statement. What is the output will be displayed on the output device? Enter valid choice. Enter valid choice. After that, switch statement will be terminates. Then do you want to continue? Press yes. Again the setup statement will be executed one more time. Suppose I want to enter no, then the condition false. Okay, other than if you enter any character other than y, the condition terminates. The condition returns false. Then loop will be terminated. Then control will comes to here. Then this is the program about do while loop in C programming. I hope it is clear. Then if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt regarding this example or regarding the concept, please post your query in the comment box below. Thank you one and all. Thank you for watching my video.